Security yan, usually pang nag-withdraw ng pera.
Attorney Lawrence.
Dahil ikaw ang chief of staff, ikaw ang namumuno ng mga staff ng Office of the Vice President. Lahat ng mga tao dito, under sa'yo yan, sigurado. So they report directly to you. In the chief of staff. Ngayon tanong ko, hindi ba humingi ng security si Madam Acosta sa pag-withdraw ng ganyang kalaking pera?
Your Honor, in this case, I am the Undersecretary and Chief of Staff of the Office of the Vice President, but there are certain matters that are not within my area of expertise. I handle purely, Your Honor, all the institutionalization and implementation of all our social economic projects. And in this particular case, Your Honor, as regards the matter of security, etc., these are admin concerns.
Tama po. Sa mga proyekto ng Office of the Vice President at kasama sa mga proyekto ng Office of the Vice President, yung paggamit ninyo ng confidential fund na withdraw ni Ms. Acosta. Siyempre po, kayo po ang nakakalam kung saan at paano ito ginagastos. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Dahil programa, kasasabi niyo po, programa ng Office of the Vice President.
Your Honor, may I be allowed to just to put things in context. I oversee the daily operations of the Office of the Vice President. For that matter, a big volume of the work that I do is actually to, number one, institutionalize and implement all our socio-economic programs. For that matter, Your Honor, implementation of all institutionalizing programs will mean it's more of crafting policies, producing operational manuals, and ensuring that our socio-economic programs are implemented uniformly and equally across our satellite offices and extension offices across the country. For that matter, Your Honor, I am also...
Hindi niyo po sinasagot yung katanungan ko eh. Pinapaganda niyo lang po yung explanation ninyo eh. Opo, pakisagot na lang po ng diretsyo para nakakaya po sa kasama ko sa Kongreso. Pakisagot na lang po ng diretsyo.
Your Honor, with all due respect, yun po yung role ko sa Office of the Vice President. It is really another way to handle all forms of communication, whether internal or external communications.
Kaya nga po, wala po ba kayo natanggap na request coming from kay Gina Acosta para sa security ng paglalabas ng pera sa land bank? Dahil malaking pera po yun na para sa mga proyekto po ninyo. Tulad nga po na sinasabi mo.
In my case, Your Honor, for this instance, there is no request for security, but I would assume because security